Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how you can install Elasticsearch on Ubuntu VM. I have my Ubuntu VM on VirtualBox and I have SSH to that particular VM using my user. So as you can see, first I would like to check if there is Java installed or not. So as you can see, nothing installed. So I will then go to this one. So let's try to install now Java. So here as you can see it is installing. You can say yes. Okay, looks good. Okay, then let's check what's the version. So as you can see it's 11.06. Okay, let's clear it. Hello everyone, so let's add the keys. It's usually quick, but don't know, due to some reason it is taking some time. The other steps, I have already installed this one. So if I try to install, it should try to reinstall, but yeah, it says already installed, so not updated. Now let's do this step. Okay, so this looks good. I will try to update the packages as well once again, and then next step will be to install Elasticsearch. Okay, so this looks okay. Now I'm gonna install Elasticsearch. So I'll just clear the screen. All right, so now this looks good. Installing, and then next step will be to update Elasticsearch YAML file. It's going to take some time because the package is installed. All right, so everything is set up. Now the next step is to update this file. So I'll just try to see. Okay, so I don't have permission, so I will just do sudo vi. Basically, I can copy this path and I will need to update few things here. Sorry, I need to go to insert mode. So HTTP port, I'll just change this. Network host, I can change it to the one which I'm connected to. So I believe it's 192.168.61. If I remember. Okay, so I'll just save this one. And the next step is to start the service. I'll just start this service. Let's see if we get any error, or seems there are some problem. Let's look at it. Oh, so there seems to be some error. I'll just try to stop and start if that helps. Okay, so seems there are some problem. I'm gonna just tell this log and see what's happening here. Cannot open for permission denied, so probably I need to use sudo. cannot assign requested address. Okay, so probably we have a problem in this YAML file. I'll just use nano sudo nano editor. Yep, and then I will go back to this. I think okay, let's exit. No, um, just to check my IP address. So okay, so it's 1.61. So let's do once again. That was our mistake. So let's go here once again and just delete this line. I will do 1.61 and then Control X, and then I say yes and enter, and that's it. Then it should be able to start the service. Still issue. I'm gonna check once again what's going on. Okay, it looks okay. Node validation exception. Okay, bond address this. So this is non validation. Bootstrap check failed. The default discovery setting. Okay, discovery seeds, that must be configured. That's okay. So we must configure this, one of these. So discovery seeds, host, and so on. Let's try to figure out where are these settings. I'll just say 192.168. I believe this should be enough. Let's see one second. Okay, so it seems to be up. Let's verify using our curl command. So fail to connect to okay, probably because I should use my IP. Yeah, so that's, we like to see the logs. You can see like this, and as you can see, there are no errors in here. So this will be it for this session. Thank you very much for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.